In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite GPU not supported. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix any issues attributed to your GPU or graphics card when you are trying to play Fortnite or any other game. Usually, this is a process that you will do outside of the game. As you might expect, the error will probably be happening when you try to launch the game. Now, usually, as the name suggests, this error happens because your graphics card or GPU is not supported, meaning that it is not powerful enough to run the game. There are a bunch of things that you can do to make sure that your GPU is being properly detected, but if you don't have a powerful enough GPU, none of the methods that I'm going to show you in this video are going to work. So I just want to make that very clear. As long as you have a minimal spec, it can even be a super low-end GPU, you should be able to run Fortnite. But for the most part, if you don't have even integrated graphics, there's not much that you can do. With this disclaimer out of the way, the first thing that I would recommend that you check is to go over to the device manager and see which GPU you currently have on your computer. So if you are on Windows, look for device manager and you will find this display adapters. In here, you can see all the GPUs currently being detected by your system. In here, you should usually only see one, or if you have integrated graphics, you might have integrated graphics and also a distinct GPU. So an example of integrated graphics would be Intel integrated graphics. For the most part, you always want to use the standalone GPU that you have. So if you have integrated graphics and another GPU, usually you want to select that. You have to make sure that the game and everything on your computer is giving priority to this GPU if you have one alongside integrated graphics. If you only have one GPU being shown here, you don't have to worry, like my case. Now, what you can do here is right-click the GPU and then update driver for a quick update check. However, what I would recommend instead is to note down this model name. So for me, it would be the RX 7900 XTX, and you can visit the AMD or NVIDIA website. Of course, in the off chance that you have an Intel GPU, an Intel Arc, just go over to their website instead. In here, you can browse through all of the models of GPU to get the necessary drivers and update them. Making sure that you have the latest version of the graphics driver will ensure that Fortnite and all other games works without any issues. So as an example, all that I would have to do on the AMD website is to select RX 7000 series, 7900 and then 7900 XTX and download the drivers here. Once you have the latest version of the graphics drivers for any GPU shown on the device manager, you should be able to run Fortnite without running into any issues. But like I said previously, if it still doesn't work, or if you noticed that you don't have a powerful enough GPU, or you only have integrated graphics inside of the device manager, there is no workaround to this. That GPU will probably not be able to run Fortnite. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite GPU not supported. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.